Good morning, grade 5, and welcome back to our visual lessons. Today we have Module 7, Reading Time. Well, let's start with the learning objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to learn 3 new words to use them correctly, predict the main idea of the lesson, and answer one question. Locate details to answer questions correctly through reading. You can find this lesson in your student book, pages 86 and 87, in your workbook, page 75. Don't forget to open the right pages. And as we all know, before reading any text, we have to study the words, the new words exactly, and we call them vocabulary. Don't forget to be ready and prepare your Oxford Dictionary, because maybe you will use it later. Let's start. Oh, my friends, do you remember me? I am the thinking bulb. I just want you to look at this picture. Try to find a word or a phrase that best describes the picture. I can help you. With the example, please. People shake hands when they meet each other. Shake hands. Which part of speech is shake hands? Excellent. It's a phrase. What about this picture? Oh, I know. You need my help. Read this sentence. I wrap the gift before I give it to my friend. So, the word is good job. Wrap. W is silent. Wrap. Which part of speech is it? It's a verb. Can I borrow your pencil case, please? Yes, of course you can. Thank you. Oh, friends, look at the girls. How can we describe this girl? I think she is polite. And we have to say please and thank you for everybody. Polite is an adjective. Now, let's do something interesting together. I want you to look at these pictures. Mom and her daughter, the boy who is drinking water, the boy who is sitting on the table, and a present which is given to someone. We call this etiquette. Now, open your dictionary and find out the meaning of the word etiquette. Pause the video and start. Did you find it? Let's see. It's a good behavior or the manners and rules in social life. Great job! Let's open our student book, page 86, Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
Module 7. Reading Time. 1. Vocabulary. Shake hands. Wrap. Polite.
Grade 5. Let's practice more. And check our objective. Learn 3 new words to use them correctly. I want you to open your workbook, page 75, Activity 1. Let's go. In this activity, you will read the words in the blue box. Then, you will complete the sentences from 1 to 3 with the suitable word. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. I presents in beautiful red and gold paper on special days. What do you think? Excellent! I wrap presents in beautiful red and gold paper on special days. Number 2. My father and my uncle always. That's fine. Shake hands when they meet. Number 3. It isn't to eat with your elbow on the table. What do you think? It isn't polite to eat with your elbows on the table. That's fine. You are doing great job, grade 5. We reached the most interesting parts, the production. In production, I want you to look at these pictures. They are taken from your student book. What I want you to do is to look at them very well. Then, answer the following question. What do you think our lesson is going to be about? Now, I prefer to pause the video, write down your production, and we will come back. Let's go. Grade 5. Why don't you open the lesson, page 86? Read it quickly, skim the text, in order to find out the answer of this question. What is the type of the text? Fictional or factual? Remember, fictional means imaginary information, while factual means fact information. You can start now. So, what do you think? Fictional or factual? Of course, it's factual, because the lesson is talking about facts, something that actually happened in some countries. Now, read along with the recording and try to find out the answer of this question. What do people offer as presents in other countries? Are you ready? You can start now.
In Italy, people shake hands and smile when they meet. It is a good idea to give a present when you visit someone's house. The best presents are some pink flowers or chocolates. Don't forget to wrap the chocolates in colourful paper. But be careful. Don't use black or purple coloured paper. They are unlucky colours. In China, people wrap presents in beautiful paper. Yellow or pink are good colours, but red is the best because it's their lucky colour. Always give and receive presents with both hands. But be careful. Don't open the present in front of the person who gave it to you. In New Zealand, people shake hands when they meet. When you are eating, it isn't polite to put your elbows on the table. And when you visit someone's house, it is polite to give chocolates, flowers, or a book about your country as a present.
Let me remind you with a question. What do people offer as a present in other countries? What do you think? Exactly. Flowers, chocolates, and books. Let's check your predictions. Let me remind you with a question. What do you think our lesson is going to be about? Your answer is right. Etiquette around the world. From the pictures, you find the answers. You are so smart. Good job. Keep your book open on page 86 and 87, because now you will read for details to answer some comprehension questions. Are you ready to do it? Let's go.
Do some of your friends come from another country? Are you going to visit them soon? Before you go, remember to learn a few things about what is polite and what isn't.
Let's start with the first country, Italy. Read along with the recording and answer the following question. What is an unlucky color for people in Italy?
In Italy, people shake hands and smile when they meet. It is a good idea to give a present when you visit someone's house. The best presents are some pink flowers or chocolates. Don't forget to wrap the chocolates in colourful paper. But be careful. Don't use black or purple coloured paper. They are unlucky colours.
Did you find the answer? It's here. Excellent! Don't use black or purple colored paper. That's very easy. Now you move to the second country and do it alone. Number 2. Why red is a good color to wrap presents in China? Read and answer.
In China, people wrap presents in beautiful paper. Yellow or pink are good colours, but red is the best because it's their lucky colour. Always give and receive presents with both hands. But be careful, don't open the present in front of the person who gave it to you.
Did you find the answer? Because it's their lucky color. Excellent. Show me from where you get the answer. From here. Exactly. Because it's their lucky color. Question number 3. What kind of a present is it polite to give when visiting someone's house in New Zealand? Read and answer.
In New Zealand, people shake hands when they meet. When you are eating, it isn't polite to put your elbows on the table. And when you visit someone's house, it is polite to give chocolates, flowers, or a book about your country as a present.
So, the answer is chocolates, flowers, or a book about your country. Good job. From where you get the answer? From here. Exactly. You are doing great. You answer all the questions and you justify your answers. Good job. Now, it's the time to practice. Stay on the same page, 87. But this time, activity number 3. Hold your pencil and let's start. You will read again and write I for Italy, C for China, or NZ for New Zealand. Pause the video because you have only 1 minute. Read from 1 to 5 and write the correct letter. Let me answer number 1 as a model for you. 1. It's polite to give pink flowers as a present. I think it's I, Italy. Now you move to number 2. It's good to wrap your present in red paper. What do you think? Excellent. It's C, China. 3. It isn't polite to put your elbows on the table when you are eating. It's New Zealand. Number 4. It's polite to give a book as a present. It's very easy. Excellent. New Zealand also. Number 5. You mustn't wrap your present in purple colored paper. It's I, Italy. Dear students, after reading the whole lesson, let's chat together. But this time, we will talk about our lovely country, Qatar. What do people in Qatar usually do when they meet each other? People in Qatar usually shake hands when they meet each other. Another question. Are flowers or chocolate a good present to give to someone in Qatar? Of course, yes. People usually give flowers, sweets, or chocolates when they visit someone in Qatar. Another question. What color do people in Qatar prefer? It's very easy. Look at the flag. People in Qatar prefer maroon, green, yellow, and blue. You are so smart. Grade 5. Let's check what we have learned today. Today we have learned 3 new words and used them correctly. Also, we predicted the main idea of the lesson. And we located details and answered questions through reading. Great work! My friends, I enjoyed the lesson. And what about you? Do you know now what is polite and what isn't in other countries? Great! Thank you and goodbye.